the activity chooser. To add learning content to the Moodle course page, you use Moodle Activity Chooser, which you can access by turning on the editing from the gear menu top right. And then in the section where you want to have your learning content, click Add an activity or resource. On the left is a list of activities. If we scroll down, we see underneath is a list of resources. A resource in Moodle is a static content which a student will read, look or listen to. So for instance, if you are uploading documents and presentations, you use the file or folder. To present information directly, better to use a page, or you can use URL if you have link to a website or online file. Whereas the activity requires students to interact with Moodle. They might submit work using assignment, or they might contribute to a forum discussion. The list can also include resources and activities which are not standard but which Moodle admin has added as extras. For instance, you will see the virtual programming lab, which is a standard but which has been added. In order to find out about what each of these does, you click the radio button, and next to it on the right, the information appears. The information tells what it is, how to use it, and useful teaching items. You can click on More Help link. This takes you to the Moodle documentation with further information. Just click on the radio button and click on Add button, or else double click on the radio button. Then the resource or the activity will be added to your course page.